Let's today discuss some important objective question related to sanitary inspector diploma. First question: one of the following which is not true about international classification of disease. Option are: it is revised once in 10 years. It is devised by UNICEF. The 10th revision consists of 21 major chapters. It provides the basis for use in other fields. It is accepted for national aids and international use. The correct answer is it was devised by UNICEF. And also the concept of social media was first introduced by whom? The correct answer is Newman and Birku. The prophylactic administration of vitamin A in a child. Prophylactic administration of vitamin A in a child is that is specific protection. Fourth question: the restoration of body function is known as vocational rehabilitation. Fifth question: false about primary prevention. The false about primary prevention is that is early diagnosis and treatment. About commonly diagnosis all are true except इनमें से कम्युनिटी डायग्नोसिस रिलेटेड कोई कौन सा गलत है, तो वो है इट इज ए स्पेसिफिक डेथ रेट नीडेड. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7: एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन टू द चिल्ड्रेन इज ए मेजर ऑफ. द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पेसिफिक प्रोटेक्शन. Which of the following constitutes specific protection? The correct answer is immunization. Which of the following is a tertiary level of prevention? The correct answer is health promotion. 10th question is screening for carcinoma cervix. Screening for carcinoma cervix is that is early diagnosis and treatment. 11th question: iron and folic acid supplementation is a type of what? The iron and folic acid supplementation is a type of specific protection. Question number 12: the current concept of health promotion and related activities lead to. The current concept of health promotion and the related activities lead to that is critical awareness and lifestyle changes. Question number 13: the best method of promoting healthy lifestyle in children, that is primordial prevention. Question number 14: all are health promotion activities except what? That is critical awareness and lifestyle changes. Critical awareness and lifestyle changes is not an example of health promotion activities. Primary aim of sentinel surveillance is that is notification. Question number 16: primordial prevention is applied when risk factor appear before disease. False about primary prevention is, which is false about primary prevention, that is early diagnosis and treatment. Which type of prevention is used in change of smoking habit? That is primordial prevention. Question 19: tertiary level of prevention is. So tertiary level of prevention is chemoprophylaxis. Question number 20: sentinel surveillance is done for all except. So sentinel surveillance done except diarrhea. In case of diarrhea, sentinel surveillance is not done. Question 21: a concept directed against prevention of risk factor of CAD is. That is primordial prevention. Question number 22: total morbidity determined by that is sentinel surveillance. Question number 23: pap smear is an example of secondary level of prevention. Question 24: keeping frequency of illness is described as control. Question number 26: main purpose of sentinel surveillance is that is to find out total number of cases. Question number 27: which one of the following is not a socio-economic indicator? That is life expectancy at birth. Question number 28: the measure used to express the global burden of disease, how a healthy life is affected by disease, that is disability adjusted life year.